2018, I went to prison to demand the answer from Thabo Bester. Welcome to Tuli Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Finally, Simphiwe Ngema agreed that yes, she went to see Thabo Bester. She knows Thabo Bester. She wrote a statement, the allegation involving Thabo Bester. This is what she has to say. Thabo Bester was working in the entertainment industry and introduced himself as TK Motsepe, Honey Motsepe. That's how we made contact. He seems well connected and was able to organize big events, which I and many other public figures were booked. Until today, I was never paid for some of those events that I was booked by 20th Century. In 2018, I went to the prison to demand answer. It was a difficult time in my life and he owed me money. I've been extremely open about everything to those that have been investigating. I have nothing to hide. I'm not a person that went there on a regular basis. I was the last person to visit him before he escaped. That's what she has to say. She continued by saying, this was 5 years ago. I have a supporting document at my disposal that prove I only visited her on one occasion. That was the 5 April 2018. This media should stop visiting his victim and use us as a tool for distraction because we also want the answer. That's what Simphiwe Ngema says. I don't know if Thabo Bester April and May is a bad luck for him because at the end of the day he went to Tanzania at April. He was also arrested in April. Simphiwe Ngema also went to April. He escaped in May. I feel like May and April something is not giving there. Anyway guys, this is what she has to say. At least she has something to say, unlike to say put abantu bayang joy lagaba. One thing about South Africa, if you tell the truth we forgive you, but when you lie, you make us angry.